Everyone talks about making 7 figures online, all of the gurus, the coaches, everyone, but no one actually talks about how to keep it. No one talks about what you need to do to make sure that your business is sustainable and doesn't make you burn out and you don't lose all of your profit. Having a high income business does not mean that you have a high profit business, and profit is what actually keeps your business growing. Profit is what allows you to invest back in your business to keep growing it. So you need to have a system in place. I use a system called Profit First. I've explained this system before. Basically, you have different buckets, actually exactly like these babushka dolls. You would have an income babushka doll, you would have a GST babushka doll, you would have a income tax babushka doll, you would have your owner's compensation babushka doll. I've just literally put these all together and now I'm taking them apart. You would have, your profit. How did I miss that? That's supposed to come like up here in between the first two, profit. You have your operating expenses, you have your internal team expenses, you have your superannuation. You have all of these different babushka doll buckets or bank accounts essentially, and each time you have a bunch of money come into your account. So I do it twice a month. On the 10th and the 25th of the month, I do my allocation. You need to work out your percentages that need to go into each babushka doll. So then on the 10th and the 25th, or however often you need to do it for your business, you transfer the percentages into these accounts to make sure that you always have enough. And then when it gets to tax time and you've got your GST account and you've got your income tax account and you've been transferring money into these accounts for the whole year, you are going to have enough, probably more than enough, to pay your GST and your income tax, because you would have paid a little bit extra and you can make GST deductions. I always have more than enough money to pay my tax in my tax accounts. So if that sounds like something that you want, if you want more than enough money in your accounts by the time that it's tax time, so if you would like a system on how to actually create more profitability and create a sustainable business as you grow to 7 figures, comment SKOOL. I'll send you the link to my free SKOOL community where we dive into so much stuff. There's so many free trainings, courses, resources, masterclasses, SOPs, absolutely everything that you could need to grow and scale your business. I'll see you inside.